What's up guys, welcome to GT Content. The C8 Corvette Z06 has been revealed and there were a lot of visuals, but the oral experience was just as satisfying. The first Z06 appeared as a special equipment package for the second generation 1963 C2 Corvette. It was only offered for this 1 year and only 199 were manufactured. It used the 5.4 liter L84 engine making 360 horsepower. There would be a 38-year gap until the next Z06 appeared in the 5th generation Corvette and was sold between 2001 to 2004, with the 5.7 liter LS6 producing 380 to 405 horsepower. The 6th generation C6 Corvette also offered a Z06 from 2006 to 2013, and it would use the 7 liter LS7 making 505 horsepower. It was unbelievable at this time because 7 liters is typically found on big block engines. The 2014 to 2019 7th generation C7 Corvette would also offer a Z06, but would move away from a naturally aspirated motor to a supercharged 650 horsepower 6.2 liter LT4. The 2023 C8 Z06 would return back to natural aspiration with a flat plane crank LT6 making 670 horsepower at 8,400 RPM. This is a high revving race engine for the streets compared to previous Chevy small block offerings, which were low revving V8 engines. Now let's start the sound comparison for the C8 Z06 versus all other generations, and this will consist of revving, shifting, and acceleration. Close your eyes and see if you can tell which one is which, and also let me know which one sounds better to you. There's also some bonuses at the end, so don't miss that. Also, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to support my channel. Turn the volume up and enjoy.